Oh, fun with fire. Sparkler time. Planet X fireworks number 10. Gold sparklers. 8 pieces. It's the IGF 0978er. These I also got for free. Intergalacticfireworks.com. Probably my favorite fireworks shop. Yeah, these I also got for free. So the color ones were good. Let's see if the gold ones will be good. Let's take them out of the package. Look at this. I didn't even know this. See, this is the old wire stick. Not the bamboo stick like the color ones. Let's check out number 10 gold sparklers. Planet X. Let's check this out. Alright, let's check them out. Okay, we got them both lit. These are nice. That's awesome. Very bright, just like the other ones. Very bright. Very good. Very good sparklers. I approve.